My LD cordless drill has given me good service over many years, but unfortunately the battery is failing and replacements are not available. So I was off to the local hardware store to find a replacement drill. I settled on this Ozito 18V brushless drill. It has a 13mm keyless chuck and will drill up to 10mm in metal and 32mm in wood. It has a variable speed trigger with two speed settings, 400 and 1500 RPM. 55 Nm of torque is more than adequate for my use. Most importantly, it has a 5-year warranty on the drill and 3 years on the battery. This drill comes without a carrying case, that no doubt keeps the cost down. The box contains the paperwork. There is a belt clip that I won't use. The battery and charger in this fancy plastic wrapper. Finally, the drill in its insignificant cardboard box. Let's see how it looks. There we go. Now to extricate the battery and charger from this plastic wrap and then charge the battery. It's only 30 minutes to charge, but the battery supplied with this drill is not a large capacity. The red light shows when it's charging. The green light indicates fully charged. 3 lights on the battery indicator tells you it's full. Attach the battery and it's ready to go. This drill has 21 different torque settings plus the drill position for differing demands. The gear selector switch is low speed forward and high speed back. The slider on the handle controls the forward and reverse rotation of the chuck. There is a LED lamp that stays illuminated for a few seconds after releasing the trigger. Time to give the drill a test. First drilling steel with a 6mm pilot drill. Then opening up the hole with a 10mm drill bit. Now onto some timber. This is a 25mm flat drill. Next I'll try a 13mm fluted drill. And finally, let's see how it handles a 14 gauge timber screw. This drill just breezed through each of these appraisals. Only time will tell, but so far I'm quite impressed with this Ozito brushless drill. And that warranty gives me peace of mind.